may pa-star-star pa si biyanan sa ulo. May pinapanood akong ang gilok, ang katigilok-gilok. Right? Para sa akin, bigyan ko ng isang pagkakataon, tulungan. This is wipes. Yeah.
Good morning, Philippines!
Bumangon si Biyanan, nandito si Biyanan. So, yeah, andito siya kasi wala yung anak. Okay, kinuha ko siya. And, good morning po. Magtatrabaho ako dito sa taas kasi ang dami kong gagawin. Okay, talking about Biyanan, andito siya. So, bumangon siya sobrang aga. And then, pinakain ko siya ng breakfast kasi bumangon din ako nung nakita ko siya. Pumunta siya sa bathroom, nagluto ako ng breakfast. Kumain siya, pagkatapos niya, balik na naman siya natulog. So, doon tulog siya. And then, dito lang ako sa taas kasi kailangan kong mag-edit. Baka Monday din, punta din ako sa isang bahay, sa bahay ni Biyanan para, kasi guys, hindi ko na talaga kaya yung airbed na palagi ko, almost 3 years na guys, kung hinigaan yung airbed, iba talaga, as in iba yung feeling na nakahiga ka sa airbed, parang yung likod ko, parang yung katawan ko iba, masakit every morning. Hindi siya yung komportable kapag gising, oh, ang sarap ng feeling, ganun, hindi. Dahil sa matagal ko na siyang tinutulugan yung airbed, parang iba yung katawan ko every morning, hindi pasaya. Kaya I always drink a lot of water and try exercise, dancing, and you know, playing with the dogs, movement. Because yung katawan ko parang iba talaga. So, sabi ko kay Tami, I need a bed. You know, of course, he's using our bed. So, because Biyanan has her own bed sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami. So, yung bed ni Biyanan, bago lang yun guys, bago. I am back down here. Yung pinaka-paborito kong shoes ni Tami. Hello. Let's go outside. You wanna go with me? Come. Ganda. Ang ganda ng panahon. Ganda ng panahon. Ito yung gamitin ko. Lagay ko dito. Linisin lang natin. Tambay kami dito, mag-inom-inom. Miti? Miti? Misty Roxy calls. Hi, Rox. Nag-download ako ng video sa YouTube. Yung sunrise at sunsets. Ito, guys. Nagumagawa ako ng mga videos. Tingnan nyo. Ang saya nila, oh. Saya nila. Ito yung namatay. Saya nila. Noong unang panahon, may pa-star-star pa si Biyanan sa ulo. Ang ganda ni Biyanan noon. Gumawa lang ako ng tuna salad para kay Biyanan. Look, dito siya kakain lunch. Katapos ko lang gumawa ng tuna salad niya. Ngayon, i-wash ko itong mga ginagamit ko. Gusto ni Biyanan yung mga luto ko na pork. Adobo ko, ganyan-ganyan. So, nagluluto ako. And hindi ko siya damihan ng toyo. Ano lang, parang blend lang pagka pork adobo. Yun yung gagawin ko para naman hindi ma-salty yung pagkain niya. And, alam nyo guys, ang bango talaga ng Palmolive na conditioner yung gamit ko, Palmolive. Ang bango, grabe. Tinitipid ko yan guys, matagal ko na yan. In-order ko siya online and tinitipid ko siya. Parang last na siya ngayon. Parang mga ilang liguan na lang. Mga 3 liguan na lang. Matapos yun. It's your turn. I have to tie that you won't run away from me. Okay? Is that okay? What are you doing over there? What is that? Hala. Hala, kadira. Nabasa ng kamera. Nabata ng kamera? Nabasa na? Okay, ito. Okay, tapos na si Misty. Tapos na din si Roxy. Yeah. Oopsie. Yung camera ko nabasa pala. Binasa mo yung camera ko, Rox? Tulog si Bianan. Ang init pero naka-jacket pa rin ako. I know you're wet. I'm gonna brush you. Let me relax. I know you're wet. Basa. I brush her really good, guys. Tignan niyo how pretty is my baby. I brush her really good. Misty, tulog na tulog pa. I did brush you. Look at you. You're so fluffy and it smells so good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're so fluffy na. I brush her really good. My grandma is out. She's outside and tulog. Yes, she is very tulog out there. Yeah. We cannot even... Hala. You wake up. You wake up. Hello. Hi. Hi, baby. How are you, baby? How are you? So, ano guys, hindi kami, plano ko pa naman mag-ano kami ni Bianan, yung mag-inom-inom ng wine ba, pero wale tayo guys, wale. Magluto ako ng ano, early para makakain ng early, para matulog ng early, para bukas early, ganon. Tulog siya sa labas, so hindi kami makapag-inuman at makapag-film kasi tulog siya guys. Pahingahin natin kasi palagi yan, maaga yung magising eh. Always talaga guys, aga siya magising. May pinapanood akong, ang gilok, ang kating gilok. meron akong pinapanood ba, Con Air. Hindi ko na panood lahat kasi doon ako sa labas. Pero yung ending na panood ko, kaloka talaga. Ending pa naman yung panood ko. Gusto ko sana panoorin pero makita ko yung ending. Oh. How do I ever survive? How do I ang lagay nagbitay? Ang dami kong natutunan sa mga tambay ng mga teenager pa tayo ba? Daming mga kalokohan na sa tambay, yung mga kaibigan. How do I live without you? Ang lagay. How do I, ang lagay, nagbitay. And ito, I'm going to boil this. Pasayahin natin si Bianan, bigyan natin ng ano kasi siya lang dito mag-isa. Okay, here, snack.
Oh,
Cookies.
oh, cookie.
Yeah, your favorite.
Yeah, my favorite. Thank you.
It's on a soft cookie.
What?
It's soft, try it.
It's soft?
Wala, hold.
I can tell.
Yeah, it's really soft, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have your water here. Okay, you're okay, right?
Thank you, yeah.
Cookie. Guys, cookie makes her happy. Yun. Huwag natin palabasin si Roxy. Alam niya, binigyan ko yung grandma niya ng cookie. Tingnan. Doon sa pultahan. Alam niya talaga. Gusto niyang lumabas lang. No, you cannot go out because I know if She just kept giving the dog. And it's not good for the dogs. So, hindi kayo makalabas. Hindi ikaw makalabas, bebe. Yun guys, I am making some string beans salad. Ito, katulad ito yung ginawa ko with string beans, onion, and stuff. So, yun. Pinigyan ko siya ng tubig kanina kasi ano, nag-usap sila ni Tami. Yung bibig niya is sobrang dry. Sabi ko, bigyan natin ng tubig. And then, sobrang init sa labas. Sabi pa niya, maginaw daw. Tingnan nyo, naka-jacket pa nga yun. Ay, nako Lord, buhay. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. Magluto lang si ako. Sobrang clean sa baby. Why you're looking at me? And Dada will be here tomorrow. You know that? I will leave early tomorrow, drop Grandma, and then I'll have to go. Yeah? And then I go get Dada. I will help him, and then I will be right back. That's what's going to happen. You know? Tomorrow I will be right back. Not tonight, not today. Tomorrow early. That we can have a bed, okay? And then I will follow Dada here. I will follow him. He will be here tomorrow, Dada. He's gonna bring some food. Oh my God. Roxy. Rox. Okay, may katanungan lang ako sa inyo. Tanong o tanong? Nakikita niyo ba yung kay Serafi Tolfo na yung bading na humingi ng tawad sa family niya at saka may nagawa siyang kasalanan na nagnakaw siya twice sa barangay nila at saka sa auntie niya. So, I don't know if napanood na ba ninyo ito. Hindi siya tinulungan ni Serafi. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? Kailangan bang tulungan ni Serafi? Yun siya. Kasi nakakahiya din yun, di ba? Yung magnanakaw ka, may nagawa kang kasalanan, and then humingi ka ng tulong kasi, you know, parang I think gusto niyang magbago or nagbago na siya, hindi na naulit. Hindi ibig sabihin na magnanakaw na siya. I know, may kasabihan na kapag magnanakaw ka na talaga. And iwan ko lang, parang nakakasad yung sinabi ni Serafi Tolfo na out, pangalawang bisis. Kasi may nagawa siyang mali. I don't know, kayo guys, kung ano sa tingin nyo. Kailangan ba siyang tulungan? Humingi siya ng tawad sa family niya, pinatawad naman siya, kaso lang may mga problema dahil sa nagawa niya. Yung kinasuhan siya, ganon. Pero, di ba dapat, you give second chances. Kung uulitin, edi talagang hindi na ganon na talaga siya. Sa tingin nyo guys? Na-curious lang ako kasi parang ang daming nagko-comment na same my opinion, no, na nasasaktan. Yung nasasaktan ako ba na yung sinabi ni Serafi Tolfo na out. Pinakamalaking bagay na yung umamin ka at saka umamin ka sa maraming tao talaga. Saka milyong taong nakapanood sa iyo na magnanakaw ka. And then ganun lang, walang tumulong. I mean, yeah, baka takot si Serafi, baka marami nang pumupunta dun sa kanya na drug addict, gustong ganun ba, mga naghumingi ng tulong. Pero yun, para sa tingin ko, sincere yung bakla. Sincere siya. Pero hindi natin alam din na, iwan ko kung ano yung opinion yun guys. Doon ako naawa talaga kasi gusto niya talagang mas masulbad yung problema niya. Sabi niya na hindi na daw niya ulitin, hindi na niya nagawa after. Yung gano'n. Kayo, patawarin niyo ba guys or tulungan niyo ba kung kayo si Sir Rafi? I think worth trying naman, di ba? Para sa akin, bigyan ko ng isang pagkakataon, tulungan, try to help, talaga kausapin yung ninakawan niya ba, kausapin niya, ganun-ganun. Pero, ewan ko si Sir Rafi, hindi talaga, wala siya. Wala sa isip niya tulungan kasi pangalawang beses na niya nagawa. Ang sarap talaga ng lime ba? Iba talaga yung dating kapag may lime or in your clothes. It's not bleeding anymore. No, but just stay like that, okay? So fold your head down. That's yeah. You do your hands first. No, don't worry. I'll wash it. You don't know that it's bleeding when you get up?
Yeah, I just woke up and I went to stand up to go to the bathroom. I stood up and started to bleed. That's what I noticed.
My mother-in-law, her nose is bleeding because I speak too much English. I told my friend that your nose is bleeding because I speak too much English. You can't understand, that's why your nose is bleeding. I think it's because of the heat outside. It's really hot, you just don't know it, it's hot.
No, it happens sometimes. Sometimes I'm asleep at night
Yeah?
and I wake up, sometimes you wake up, it's like this.
Yeah?
I wake up and I'm bleeding from my nose. And I'm bleeding in bed. And I have to wake up and start stopping it.
And that was it's really dripping, I can see it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Roxy, no?
Let's see, I got some of my clothes.
I wash it.
Yeah, that comes off. Yeah.
She's checking on you.
Okay, sure.
Okay, down now. She can smell the blood in your nose.
Yeah. I know.
Get
That's
down
why
now.
I'm holding her like this.
Yeah.
I think it's okay, baby. It's okay.
So you want to go to the bathroom but you're bleeding.
Mm-hmm.
Let me. This is wipes.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part of the day.
Did you see the other one? Don't get up yet. Because you don't know it will be.
Yeah.
I'll give you something.
I heard somebody singing. It sounded like you. Were you singing?
No, I was listening to music.
I don't know.
So it could be too.
I'll put this again.
If you have moderate to severe
It's cold, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that intentionally. Okay, I'll put it over there. Give it to me, okay? Give it back. Roxy, look. Get it. Give it to me. Give it. Bring it back here. Come here. Come here, give it back. Come here. Come here. Come on. Bring it back. Go get the ducky duck duck. Go get ducky duck duck. Tired? Are you tired? Inom na yan tubig. Go inom tubig. Go drink some water, look. Tingnan nyo, inom na yan. Katapos lang namin nag-dinner, guys. Andun pa si Bia Nerds. Naka-operts. Si Misty ayaw talaga makipaglaro nito, eh. You don't wanna be laro with me, eh. Nakata, eh.